In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for tomorrow, that is 26th August 2021. And tomorrow is also the monthly expiry of all futures and options contract of all the stocks and indices that are traded in futures and options. So let's talk about Nifty. From a long time, I'm saying that as long as this low is maintained in Nifty will be bullish. And as you can see that Nifty is maintaining that low. It opened gap down, closed above the line, and now made an all-time high. And this candle clearly shows the exhaustion in the market. So this candle shows the exhaustion in the market, and the chances of Nifty going high from here is very low. So it can come down and test this low or be volatile between them. Now come to the 1 hour chart, and we can see that this high, the previous high, Nifty has crossed this high but could not close. So this is the fresh all-time high, and on the downside you can consider this low. So this range is an important range, and Nifty is expected to trade within this range and expire within this range. So if Nifty opens flat tomorrow, then it may come down, test this level and be volatile. So it will not fall much, it will not rise much, and these levels will act as support even if that low is broken. So supports are in the downside. 16580 will be a good support on the upside, and 16660 will be a good resistance on the upside. Now if Nifty opens gap up, then it may go up and test this level. So 16620 on the downside and 16713 on the upside could be the range. Now things will start getting interesting once Nifty opens below this level. Now once this level is broken, then Nifty will turn bearish, but this high will be maintained and this low will act as support. So 16550 will be on the downside and 16640 will be the resistance on the upside. So this is the range if Nifty opens gap down. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. As you can see that after a big move of yesterday, Nifty has shed some gain. It tried to go up but faced resistance and came down. So this zone will act as a support. So this zone will act as support for Bank Nifty. And you can see the candle, there are some sell-offs, so selling pressure exists in Bank Nifty. So if we come to 1 hour chart, you will see that the same gap is where 20 moving average lies, and in 1 day chart you will see that it has just taken support on the 20 moving average and closed above. So that is somewhat positive sign. In 1 hour chart, the moving average and that previous support collides, and in 15-minute chart it has faced resistance on the 20 moving average and then came down, closed lower. So if Nifty opens flat, then possibility is that it will come down to test this level, and on the upside there are resistances. So Bank Nifty is expected to be volatile tomorrow. Between 35,280 will be the support on the downside and 36,050 will be the resistance on the upside. So within this range, Bank Nifty is expected to trade with huge volatility if it opens flat. Then 35,280 and 35,800 could be the range in which Bank Nifty may expire tomorrow. Now, if Bank Nifty opens with a big gap up, then 36,050 would be the upper limit or the resistance, and on the lower side 35,480 will be the support, and Bank Nifty is expected to trade within this range. Now, if Bank Nifty opens gap down below this line, then it may come down to test the lower line, or even may break and be volatile within this range. So 35,000 to 34,850 will be the range on the downside where Bank Nifty is expected to take support, and this may be the resistance. It may hit the resistance and fall down. So 35,000 on the downside and 35,400 on the upside will be the range if it opens gap down. The first stock is Coal India. As you can see that it has went up and testing the same high again. So if this high is taken out, so it's like a triple top, then we can go long above 140, keeping a stop loss at 138 for a 1:2 target. The next stock is Eicher Motor. As you can see that though the auto sector is negative, but Eicher Motor took support. As you can see, Eicher Motor took support, and every level the seller tried to take it down, but it recovered and now is making a higher high. And if this high is taken out, then we can go long above 2584, and the stop loss would be 2575 for a 1:2 target on the upside. The next stock is Amara Raja Battery. As you can see that this is a stock with clear downtrend, lower high and lower low, and at a major support level with resistances on the top, and it's at major support level which has been tested earlier. So we can go short below 674 with 2 to 3 point stop loss and a 1:2 or higher targets. The next stock is Coromandel. As you can see, it is in a clear downtrend, trying to go up but fails. And it has made something like a doji, a small halting candle. So if this low is crossed, then we can go short below 672 with 2 to 3 points as stop loss for a 1:2 target. Now the exact levels will be provided on the Instagram, and the link is given in the description below. So like the video if you find it helpful, and thank you for watching.